Hello, it's Vicky Fraser here, and it's Wednesday, so that means it's time for a 2-minute tip. Today's tip is how to make your table of contents more interesting, because the job of a table of contents is to get people to have a quick look at it and think, oh, that looks like something that I want to read. Give them a quick at-a-glance idea of what is in your book once you've written it. So this is an idea I've seen in a couple of other books, and I took it and ran with it in my new book, which is almost ready to release. And the idea is that you don't just have your contents listed out like most books have. So you've got like chapter 1 is, how to boil a kettle. Chapter 2 is what tea bags to choose, that kind of thing. You want to put a little bit more information in there, so it's like almost like a little story. So let me show you what I mean. So this is the table of contents for my book, and you can see it starts off normally, forward, 10 commandments, blah, 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 introduction, part 1. But then underneath the chapter headings, I've got a little bit more information, and I've tried to make it a little bit funny and just a little bit intriguing. So underneath preparing to write, you've got space, time, you're a collection of bad habits, smart goals and stupid goals, beating procrastination before it smacks you in the face. And I've done that for each of my chapters. So the idea is that I want to give you a little bit more of an idea of what you're going to get in the chapter, and all of those little short stories that I've popped underneath the contents entries that's just my way of giving you an idea of what you're going to learn, what you're going to read about in that chapter. So that is my 2-minute tip for today. I will be back same time next week with another 2-minute tip for you to help you write your book. In the meantime, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel below, or you can go to moxiebooks.co.uk/pre-order the book and get your hands on a copy of my new book, which will be out in November. Have a great week.